Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mark and I'm the Mediocre Modeler. I'm coming to you from outdoors. Beautiful night out tonight. A little bit buggy, but you get used to it. Not. So I want to show you a stash ad. This is the modified stalker, hauler, and truck. Pretty cool kit. I've been wanting to pick this up for a while now. I may just include this into the Saturday night short track group build hosted by Jason at Blue Ox Model Shop and Mike over at Scalemodeloutlaw. But if I do, I'm gonna probably do this after I give the sprint car to my buddy. But anyways, these are my beehives and they're doing well. I hope all of you are doing well. I want to thank you, each and every one of you, my subscribers, for coming back to my channel and checking my videos out, leaving comments, liking. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you. The first thing I do is I test the lights on a battery to make sure they light. Then I solder the lights to the controller. And then I put the battery in and can turn the lights on. Boom, voila. So these bezels are from the kit headlights, and they conveniently have a hole right in the middle of them. So let me shut this off. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Mod Podge and grab the LED. And I'm going to slip this through. Then I'll put some Mod Podge in here. Excuse me. Sorry about the dirty fingernails. I've been working in the garden. My other hobby I love to do. But, so we'll keep it like that. And then, once you have it like that, tip it up and roll your fingers so the light will lower into the Mod Podge. But I want to show you something. There's a sweet spot. So we'll turn this on. And let me see if I can do this on camera. Alright. So, boom. As soon as you see that ring is the sweet spot. So that's why I do this with the lights attached to the battery. And when I'm all done, then I'll take the the leads off the. I'll melt the solder, remelt the solder, and take the leads off. So let me set back up here. Sorry about the camera. Okay, the other thing I want to show you is, so when you get the cases to put your models in, you get these little rubber, I don't know if they're, to make the model level, or are they stops so your model doesn't roll around inside the case. But I save these and I'll use that as the bezel, not the bezel, but the lens. once it's all glued together. So I got the Mod Podge open. I'll grab some of this. Not too heavy, but you want it close to the end, so you kind of like make one drop. Get it kind of close. Goop some in there. It's hard to do on camera, but this is my way of giving back to the community. So once the Mod Podge is in there, I'll turn this back on and find a sweet spot again. And then I'll hold it there until it dries. And it doesn't take that long, but I'm going to shut the camera off and do it off camera, and I'll come back. All right, I'm back. This is a rock that I found, and I'm going to probably paint a sugar skull on it. I found that at the beach. Lisa likes sugar skulls, so I used this little rock to place the controller on so I could solder the points so I don't melt my cutting mat. This came out good. I'll show you. I'll turn the thing on. There we go. And here on this one, I put the little bumper on. So this one actually diffuses it pretty good. They're both equally cool, but hey, that's one good way to use the bumpers that you get from the storage containers. Just peel this off and stick it right on the lens. So now that I get everything hooked up, everything works, I'm gonna reheat the solder so I can take the wires out, because I won't need to solder the battery controller until just about the end of building Gasser for Glenn. Gasser for Glenn's got a little rat fink helmet that I made for him. You can put that on your keyboardist. And here's the other one. I think I might put a like a spear on there for like an old German helmet. We'll see. But those are the two helmets. They're going with Gasser for Glenn.